Hi, I'm your English teacher, Linda G, and welcome to my Job Search Success Series. If you're ready to take your job search to the next level, you're going to love this series. Whether you're just starting your search or looking to refine your approach, these videos are designed to give you practical, actionable advice. Now, of course, for more information, you can also go to my website at speakenglishwithconfidencenow.com. And I've also included a discount code for any more advanced ones. Now let's get started.
All right, let's talk about cover letters. A cover letter is a key part of your job application. It's your opportunity to introduce yourself to an employer and to explain why you're a great fit for the role. So while your resume highlights your skills and experience, your cover letter highlights your personality, your enthusiasm, and the motivation for the position, why you're applying for this job. So a strong cover letter should be concise, tailored, of course, to the job that you're applying for, and professional. It should address the hiring manager by name whenever it's possible and explain why you're interested in the role, how your skills match the job requirements, and why you would be a valuable asset to this company. So what you write in the cover letter will also depend on if you're responding to an ad or if you're sending a letter and a resume to introduce yourself to an employer. Now, one effective way to structure a cover letter is by using a table format. I provided an example in the resource section. This approach allows you to clearly match your qualifications with the job requirements, making it a lot easier for recruiters, for HR managers to see why you're a strong candidate. So make sure. Now, using a table format is especially effective when you're applying for roles that require specific technical skills or specific qualifications. It makes it easier for them to quickly see how you meet their needs and ensures that your application stands out. Now, regardless of the format, always customize your cover letter for each job, keeping it clear, concise, and of course, engaging. And this extra effort can significantly improve your chances of landing an interview.
For more information on my services, go to speakenglishwithconfidencenow.com. I've also included a discount code in the description below for a helpful course.